coordinating the movement of the aircraft, the flying of the aircraft. Bear in mind that the pilots can't see where the boat is at the moment because it's beneath them, behind them. So the coordination of the crews in order to be able to achieve this task is no mean feat and not to be underestimated. So you can see there, Chief Brown with the survivor between his legs, just signalling by hand signals to Flinny in the door. And Flinny will just be tweaking the aircraft's position onto the boat. The fact that this is happening so smoothly means you take it for granted, but the coordination of this is very impressive. The air crewman now signalling to the observer to raise the winch. And the winchman cleanly taken off, signalling to the